Okay, these four things helped me achieve all of my goals in 2025. You can do it for 2026 as well. I will be showing you what I actually achieved for 2025. Okay, so I don't have my phone here, but I will show you on my laptop what I achieved. So as you can see, earn over 2,000 euros per month, 10k IG followers, 30k TikTok followers, building my personal brand for a worldwide audience, sell my first digital product, and purchase my first car. That is coming very soon. But yeah, I pretty much achieved all of my goals. 1 year ago, this was impossible to do for me. Literally, at the beginning of the year, I didn't even record on Instagram or social media. I didn't have the following I have now. The goal was to gain 10k followers. I gained over 30k followers on Instagram. The goal was to hit 30k followers on TikTok. I gained over 40,000 followers on TikTok. And I literally built a worldwide audience even though I am from Serbia. I filmed on Serbia first. I really wanted to go on worldwide audience, and I actually did it. That was literally impossible for me 1 year ago. I didn't even earn $400 per month. Like 1 year ago, I was so broke. I hustled to get a little more financial freedom, and I did it. Thank God. Thank God. I passed that $2,000 mark, and I gotta tell you, it was hard. But for any of you that want to achieve all of your goals in 2026, these were the four things I implemented in my life to actually get the goals done. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. Okay, so the first thing that actually helped me achieve my goals in 2025 was an application, literally, an app on your phone. I downloaded the Trello app. That app organizes your work, your daily routine, and you just check the things you've done for today. But the very important thing in that app, you can write your goals for your year. I made my goals for the 2025, wrote them all in, and every day I log into the app, I see all of the goals I want to achieve in 2025, and that constantly reminds me on what I'm working on. Every day when I log into the app, I check the boxes, what I have done for the day, and also see my goals, what I'm planning for the end of the year, and that gets me motivated to work even harder. That's the first simple step. Okay, let's go to the second thing I've done to achieve my goals. It is very important. So you need to put realistic goals for your year. You can't put in like earn $1 million a month. You can't put like I will gain 1 million followers in by the end of the year. Like that is not really possible. It is very rare. Put realistic goals. So I had like 1,000 followers, and I told myself I will hustle and I will grind and I will go get that 10k followers on Instagram. And right now it's the end of the year. I gained over 30,000 followers. A year ago I earned around 400 euros a month, like $400 a month. It is literally nothing. I couldn't live with it. I put the goal to earn at least $2,000 per month, and I did it. It is very realistic and very possible to do. You just need to put your work in. Just put realistic goals. Why is it important? It is very important because you will get even more done than what you've promised yourself. Literally, I knew I will get 10k followers within a year for sure because I grinded. I posted like 2 videos per day on Instagram, and for sure you need to get 10k followers. But I put that realistic goal because I knew I will gain more than that. I knew it. So literally for you, when the 2026 comes to an end, you will see that you've done even better than you promised yourself. So put realistic goals and you won't be even stressed about it. So write your goals and make them realistic. The third thing I did is also very important, and that is to plan everything beforehand. So I carefully planned everything strategically. I made a plan on how much hours should I put in my content, how much hours should I put in my business, and from when to when should I work daily. So I put my goals like, okay, wake up at 9 a.m. Okay, done. Finish your work, that takes me around 4 hours. Then finish content, that takes me around 2 hours, that's 6 hours total. And when you finish everything, add 4 hours of learning and grinding even harder on your business. So I did that every single day. I worked like from 6 to 10 hours per day to achieve my goals. Okay, so what do you need to do right now? Grab the pen and paper and write everything strategically how you should do it. Plan everything. Plan every single month of the year. What should you do in that month? What should you do in those 6 months, like in the first half of the year? What should you do on the second half of the year? What should you do weekly and what should you do daily? And if you sort your mind before you even start 2026, you will succeed in it. So plan everything, think realistically how much hours of work you need for a thing you want in 2026, and that's it for the step 3. It's very simple, but you need to plan everything beforehand. Just leave your phone for an hour, let your brain detox and start writing. You will gain amazing focus if you leave your phone, and I promise you, you will create an amazing plan for 2026, as I did for 2025. The fourth thing that helped me achieve all of my goals was staying fucking consistent. Without working the hours I didn't want to do, I wouldn't achieve my goals. Simply, you need to be disciplined, you need to be consistent in everything you do. Without that, you will fail, man. You will fail. Get that out of your brain. It's simple. Be a man and do what needs to be done. I didn't even go out with my friends. I just locked in for a year and I achieved all of my goals I wanted. The goals I want for the next year will be much larger and I will put the hours. If you put enough effort, it will pay off. It will be done, man. It will be done. You just need to be consistent and disciplined and show up every day. Post your content, do your business, train, do everything that you want for the 2026 every single day. And that's how you win your year. But see it like this. If you win your day, and win it 7 times, you will win a week. If you win 4 times your week, you will win a month. If you win 12 months, you win the whole year. And if you win enough years, you will succeed in life. It's simple. Just show up. So that's the simple way how you can win your year like me. So if you have any questions, anything you want to ask me, comment down below. I will help you. Subscribe if you haven't already to see where I will be a year from now, and you too, guys. I'm uploading 3 times weekly. It's crazy values, so go subscribe, don't miss it out, and see you, boys.